Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a really easy, eye-catching TikTok ad using AI. The tool we're going to be using today is called Quick Ads. I personally use Quick Ads a lot, and it is probably one of the best AI softwares out there as it's super fast and it's got a lot of great features that I think a lot of AI softwares are missing. So on this website, you can create TikTok ads, Facebook posts, you can create Instagram ads, YouTube videos, all that. Now, if you don't have an account already, you're gonna go ahead and click get started and make one. And then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the Quick Ads dashboard. Now, I will tell you right now that there is a pro subscription for this service, which I strongly recommend getting as it offers some of the best features on this website. You can still create ads without the pro subscription. However, if you do plan on getting it, I recommend you visit the link in my description as well as use the code on screen for 10% off. So to start your TikTok ad creation, you're going to come over to the design tab, and from here you're going to want to make sure you click on video creatives here and TikTok short. Now here you can create Instagram reels, you can convert text prompts straight into videos, you can just upload a blog straight into a video and it will create it. You can create YouTube videos and all that straight on this website. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a simple TikTok video. Now, the coolest part about this website is that you can actually pre-save brands. So if you're an affiliate marketer or someone who markets multiple brands, you can just have all your brands saved, and every time you want to create a new ad, you can just select a brand. It will have the style, color scheme, all that, so you don't have to input any of that after you first initially set up the brand. Like me, for this TikTok, ironically, we're going to be creating a TikTok ad for TikTok. So obviously I have these three brands here already, but if you don't, you can come here and you can create your own. You can input your brand name here. You can either upload a logo or you can just input the website. Either if you have a website or the brand's website that you're promoting, you can just input it there and it will fetch the color scheme, it will fetch the logo, it will fetch the brand's description, so you don't have to enter any of that. But for me, I've already saved TikTok, so we're going to go ahead and select that and hit next. Now this is where we're going to select the product URL. This is the URL that you are promoting in your ad. So if you're trying to promote a specific product or service, you can go ahead and put the direct link to that here. For me, I'm just going to use TikTok. Now, this is basically just the media that the AI is going to use in your ad. So we can either pick between Dolly, which is ChatGPT's image generating software. You can use Quick Ads AI image software. You can pick stock videos, which will just use free stock videos from the internet, or stock images. Since we're creating a video ad, I'm going to select stock videos as it is probably the best for this. Now in the advanced settings, you can select how long you want your ad to be. For me, I'm just going to create a quick 15-second ad. Now you can select the tempos. If you want a more fast-paced ad, you can click fast. If you just want a normal paced ad, you can select normal. Now, if you have a concept or hook that you already have for your ad, you can go ahead and manually select concept, or you can let AI decide what it thinks is best for you. For me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a manual concept, since there's a few that I personally like over others. So you're going to go ahead and click next, and it's going to start analyzing all the input that you had, and it's going to start creating your ad. Now, if you selected to manually select a concept, it's going to go ahead and give you these two concepts here. So we have Creativity Unleashed. This is basically just an inspirational type ad. You can see it's trying to give empowerment and excitement. Its angle is to showcase diverse user-generated content. If you don't like that, there's also Join the Creative Revolution. This one's more of a community expression type one. If you don't like that either, you can choose to generate more. We're gonna go ahead and click that, see what it comes up with. Discover your creativity, passion, excitement. You know what? I like that one. We're gonna go ahead and click generate hook, and it's gonna generate the hook for us using that concept. Boom, now we have 2 hook options. We can choose diverse creators sharing their unique art on TikTok, vibrant artworks coming to life on TikTok. This one's more of a kind of having TikTok show your dreams and having your artwork come to life, whereas this one is more of a sharing type one where you're sharing your art with other people, getting seen out there. I'm gonna go with this one. I like this one, I think. And that's going, you're gonna select your framework. We're gonna try the attention, interest, desire, and action. This is just the default one. It's probably one of the best ones. I personally use this one the most. I think it's a FOMO one too. But we're just gonna go with this one. And you can click generate script, and it's going to generate the entire ad script for you. Once that's done, you're gonna see the ad script here. The media description is basically the description of the image or video that the ad will be showing in each scene. The AI voiceover is the actual voice that the AI is going to say. And then the on-screen text, this is just the style of the text that it's going to show. So for this one, you can see that the media description is an artist drawing a vibrant mural, colors filling on the screen. So this is going to show an artist drawing a mural, and there will be colors filling on the screen, and the AI is going to say, let your imagination run wild. The next scene is paint your world with colors. The next is share your history on TikTok. Find your inspiration, hashtag express creativity. Now you can add another scene if you'd like. You can give your own media description. You can tell the AI what to say. You can show what you want to show on screen. You can name the scene, or you can just edit any of the scenes that are already here. So for this one, I don't really want the AI to say a hashtag. I'm just going to say join TikTok now, just like that. And once you're happy with the script, you can go ahead and click generate video, and it's going to generate the ad for you. And boom, once that's done, you're going to see the video preview loading here. This is where you can watch your ad right now as it's currently stated. And from here, you can also change the script. You can go to the video editor, or you can just watch it. So
share your artistry on TikTok. Find your inspiration. Join TikTok now.
So you can see there at the end, it said join TikTok now, just like I added into the script. But yeah, it's a pretty basic ad, you know, but all of that was created entirely with AI. I didn't have to edit a single clip, a single video. I didn't have to do a single voiceover or anything. That was all created for me with AI. Now, the first thing I recommend doing is coming over here on the left to video variations. And from here, this is where you can actually change the style of video. Now, this is going to regenerate your entire ad is going to regenerate every stock video. It's going to regenerate the text, what the AI says, the script, all that. This is just depending on the style of video you want to go for. Now, personally, I love using the scroll stopper as it's really good at grabbing the attention of the viewer and stopping them from scrolling, which is a great way of promoting a product or service. So we're going to go ahead and select scroll stopper. There's a lot of other options here. Storyteller basically just tells a story, but we're going to go with the scroll stopper. And you can see it generated an entire new script. You can see each scene, discover a world of creativity, explore endless inspiration, all that. It's pretty much the same as our original script, but it will change the images. And boom, once that's done, you're going to see that the ad has completely regenerated with brand new videos and an entirely new script. So let's go ahead and come up here and hit preview and see what it made.
Engage with creativity on TikTok. Discover your creative side with TikTok. Get ready to ignite your creativity. Join the creative revolution with TikTok. Explore endless creativity on TikTok.
Now you can see obviously the script is pretty repetitive, ending with TikTok every single line, but obviously you can change that however you'd like. You can come over here to script and you can change it. You can also click on storyboard and you can change each script or each scene individually here. For me, I'm not going to go too in depth with it. I'll let you guys figure that out on your own. You guys can tweak around a bit. If you'd like, you can change any of the stock videos on each scene. If you just come over here to the left, click on the pencil, you can pick from any stock video. You can choose any image. You can choose Pexels videos. You can also have it generate a few AI images based on the search you make up here. So I search vibrant, diverse, short videos, and it's going to generate an AI image for that. So boom, it came up with this. Let's go ahead and just use that. You can also upload your own. So if you have any images or media that you want to use, you can go ahead and upload that. But I have uploaded this AI one that it generated for me and it looks pretty good. You can add some overlay text. You can add any elements like some plain images here if you want. You can add some graphics and shapes. You can change the background music. There's obviously a ton of background music that it came up with here, but I prefer to stick with the one it gave me as it usually fits the theme most of the time. You can change the volume. If you figure it's a little too quiet, you could turn that up a bit, maybe up to 40. You can have it fade in and out. You can change the AI voice's talking speed. It gets a little weird if you change it too much. I wouldn't mess with that too much. You can change the AI voice. So if you have the premium version, you can select any of these premium ultra realistic voices. Like me personally, I really like Charlie.
Love all, trust a few, do wrong to none.
He's pretty good. You can actually upload your own voice and it will clone it for you. I'm pretty sure that is a premium feature, but it is one of the coolest features that there is. You can edit the captions. So obviously there's the on-screen text that it came up with. You can edit the style of it. You can change the font. You can change the style, like if you want to go for the big blocky one. I like this one pretty good. You can change the amount of words that are per line, so if it gets a little lengthy, you can cut that down a bit. As for the transitions, you can change the transition type here. Like you can select glitch if you want. You can actually have AI generate a custom sound effect for you for the transition. So if you want like a quiet whoosh and you hit generate, and AI will actually generate a whoosh sound and automatically apply it to all the transitions. Boom, so there it is. We can select use and we'll go ahead and preview, see what that sounds like.
Engage with creativity on TikTok. Discover your creative side with TikTok. Get ready to ignite your creativity. Join the creative revolution with TikTok. Explore endless creativity on TikTok.
So you can see that's a pretty good ad, but you can go ahead and change it to however you would like. The stock images videos that it came up with are pretty good. There is a watermark, but when you download it, it will remove the watermark for you. Don't worry, it's not going to be there when you upload it. Same with the ID number here at the bottom left. That will also be removed when you download it. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of how to create the ad. So when you're done here, you can come up to download and you can render it, which will then download to your computer and be ready to upload. You could also do the multi-platform preview, which will allow you to preview the ad on other platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook to see what they would look like. And boom, you can see that you have the option to view it in other dimensions. So obviously we generated this as a TikTok, so a 9x16, an Instagram story, and a YouTube short will be the same. Twitter and LinkedIn, it will be squished down a bit, but it's still pretty
Engage with
okay.
creativity on TikTok.
I wouldn't recommend changing it to a YouTube video as it gets too stretched and it kind of
Engage with
looks a
creativity
little
on TikTok.
off. I wouldn't recommend it.
Engage.
I would recommend sticking to the 9x16 ones, or just switch to a 1x1. That's just what I think personally. But yeah, once you're done, you can go ahead and download it and upload it that way, or you can actually use one of my favorite features here by Quick Ads is you can save it and then come over to the publish tab in your dashboard, and you can actually schedule ads to be posted for you on different platforms. So for example, if you want to post an ad every second day or every 5 days, every day even, or every week, you can go ahead and do that. Let's say I want to post a video tomorrow. You can go here, click publish to post, and you can connect your platforms here. So let's say I wanted to upload a TikTok, I would have to connect my TikTok account, and then you would be able to set the time that you want that to be published. And of course you can schedule it to happen every week or day. This is just so you don't have to create ads all the time and having to do this all the time. You can just set this up once and you'll be set for a while. This is why I really love using this app. It's so good. It's so easy to use. It's got so many useful features. And again, if you want to pick up the pro subscription, which I strongly recommend, you can visit my link in the description for 10% off. And it's truly worth it. And that's going to conclude today's tutorial on how to create a TikTok ad nice and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope it answered any of your questions. You can go ahead and leave a comment if you want to know anything else, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.